Gold yesterday created another bearish candle. We can see that currently the gold is in the bearish momentum started several days ago, and we can see that yesterday the price has formed a bearish breakout below 2586.24. But before that, we can see the price has returned all the way back up to the first resistance to 618.75, and from there the price has returned back down, making a bearish breakout and reaching this support, which was a trend line, which is acting now as support. But we can see that the price is still making a bearish momentum, bearish candle, going all the way down to 2550.00. Now we can see that the price also yesterday, after making a bearish breakout, started to move up with this week on the upper side, trying to make again return back to the previous support, now acting as a resistance. We can see the price is bouncing from this resistance and then continue to go down even further. So what to expect? As you can see, I already have a sell order here, starting from here, and also to take profit starting of this demand zone here. So I'm expecting that the price will drop down even further, reaching this area to 550.00, which is a great support, and we can see it is a monthly support where I'm expecting that the price will stop and bounce up from this area. So this is currently what is my target. After that, after the price reaches the support, I will watch closely. Will the price make a bearish breakout or it will bounce back up? But first of all, I am expecting the price will bounce back up, reaching first as a resistance this area to 571. We can see that here it is a small confluence between the support and the resistance here, and from there we will see on the lower scale, on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, what the price will do. Will it manage to make a bullish breakout above, or it will return back down? Because there are small resistance levels like this one here, and also the support levels that will decide after the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout. First of all, we can see that this is a confluence of a resistance here. We have a trend line which is acting as a resistance. We have a horizontal line acting as a resistance. So this will stop the price from making a bullish breakout easily. It will be very hard, and because of this selling momentum, bearish momentum that is currently here, this supply zone will be very hard to break above. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, yesterday I have shared with the traders inside the Telegram group details when the price makes a bearish breakout. For example, like in this one here, a case, and also what is the target, for example, like here. So this was also mentioned inside Telegram when the price makes a bullish breakout like here or bearish breakout like here. So they are informed on time where the price is heading. So we can see currently that we have several levels that are in between this support and resistance levels, and when the price reaches this area of support, I have said that there is high probability that the price will return back up. That is around this one, 2569.81, where we can see it is a confluence of resistance on the lower scale, which is on a 1-hour time frame, and this one is 4-hour time frame. So this will be the target after the price reaches this one and bounce back up. But below that, we can see there are certain levels where the price could go, and this is something that traders inside Telegram group will be notified when the price makes a bullish breakout or bearish breakout or something similar. So this is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.